Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? Happy Tuesday, traders. Happy Tuesday. We're back. We are back in action. Feeling much better today. I've got a lot of energy in me. So, yeah, let's bring on the stream, guys. Tuesday stream. We ended yesterday's stream off with a really, really great win. So let's see what we bring today. Let's see what today gives. See, we have some of the locals in the chat already. Guys, welcome in, welcome in. Drop a like on the way in, man. Drop a like on the way in stream. And then we're going to start a breakdown. Let me just set up the chat for you guys as usual. And then we're going to get rocking and rolling. Yeah. Guys, I'm looking at shorts on Nasdaq today, or this morning. I'm looking at shorts. We'll do a quick little breakdown shortly, yeah. I've also got some new tunes, man. I've got some new tunes. Nifa, good morning. Good morning. I'm doing good. I'm doing much better today. So, yeah. Let me just quickly do the chat for you guys, and then we can get rocking and rolling, yeah. Sweet. Cool. All right, guys. Cool. We ready to rock and roll? How's everyone doing, man? Toxic. How's it going, brother? How is it going, everybody? I'm looking at shorts, guys, on Nasdaq. I'm looking at sells. I am looking at shorts. So let's see what we get. I've got some new tunes as well today, guys. I've got some new music for us all. So yeah. I'm just gonna quickly see something before we do breakdown because I don't want to. Oof, damn! I missed the short. I missed that short. I wanted it. I wanted that short, bro. It's all right. Is what it is, huh? Is what it is, though. I wanted to short. Oh man. I really wanted to short this 50-minute closure over here. It is what it is. It's alright. We still got a whole session ahead. Probably going to be getting some new entries. Let's see. Yeah, Nifa, appreciate it. I've got some new music lined up. I've got like 3 different songs we're going to go through. But they're quite cool. They're chilled. Nothing too much. Although Americans, this is like nice morning music to wake up to at 5 a.m. yeah? 5 a.m. music to wake you up. Get you freaking alert, man. Get you fucking alert. Wake the fuck up. Alright. Are there giveaways today? We're going to talk giveaways, by the way, because there's something I'm going to bring up. About the giveaway. I noticed that there's some people that are messaging Funder Pro directly telling them that they've won the giveaway when in fact they didn't. They're trying to get free accounts. You know what happens when you abuse giveaways, guys? I just stopped doing them. If you're going to be abusing giveaways, I just stopped doing them. I got a message this morning and guys, Funder Pro messaged me. They're like, guys, there's some people telling us that they won, but in fact those people did not win. Trying to claim free accounts. Trying to scam the system. So if you're gonna try scam the system, yeah, you're just ruining it for everybody else, ain't you, bro? Good morning, Sammy. Good morning. Yeah, there's always scammers, guys. There's always people trying to play the system, you know what I'm saying? But it doesn't matter. You know me. I'm going to be giving away something today, though. It's not an account, but I'm giving something else away today. I am doing a huge... What I'm giving away to you guys exceeds an account. It goes way beyond there. And I'm talking it's worth thousands, what I'm going to be giving away today. I'm doing a huge giveaway today. I'm giving away a free spot in my mentorship, guys. And I'm not doing a duck race for it. I'm only choosing specific individuals that will be entered into this giveaway, right? I've been noticing consistent viewers every single day, traders that are determined to learn. Yeah. I have an eye out on a few people, which we're going to talk a bit later in stream, but I'm giving away a mentorship to one of you beautiful, lucky people today into my community. Yeah. I definitely know a few people in the chat. Some people are in there right now that are here every single day. Super appreciate you all. So it's just a little appreciation giveaway to you guys that we're going to get into later today. And on top of that, yeah, let's enjoy the stream. You guys know the vibes. All right. Yeah. Okay, cool, guys. Let's do a quick little breakdown. I want to talk charts quick because I don't want to take a move and we're not on the same page. I want you guys to maybe see where I'm coming from. But this music is waking me up, yo. Okay, cool. So guys, quick little breakdown here. I'm looking to short Nasdaq today. I want to see continued sells. We are below the daily EMA for the first time in 5 million weeks. Right? We actually are playing below the daily EMA, guys. It's the first time since I don't know how many weeks we are finally below that daily EMA. This could be the pullback. So what I'm looking for, guys, is I'm looking for this daily candle to sell into last week's low, which is sitting at 28,700, right? 28,700, which is why this little line I've drawn on here, that's the wick low. So I want to see Nasdaq this session together. We can maybe scalp into that low. Yeah, 28,700. What? Cool. So I want to see sells. The first time the daily candle is below that EMA. Higher time frame is bearish. You can see the last 3 days we've been bearish. If I go to that H4, look how we are respecting that EMA, guys, on the H4 time frame. Look how we've just thrown wicks into it and we're pushing lower. Yeah. I'm strong on the bears today. I'm strong on the sells. I'm very, very strong on the shorts today. I'm feeling confident about it. All right. Cool. So there's that. On the 4 hourly. Ooh, this music, bro. Hourly. Look at that, guys. We got above EMA again. We've closed back below. And we're trading lower highs, aren't we? And lower lows. Look at this trend. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah, we're in a downtrend right now on the hourly too. Yeah, we're in a downtrend on the hourly as well. Yeah. This was a beautiful hourly entry, I won't lie. If we saw this, if I saw this before stream, I probably would have taken that. The fact we closed back below that EMA and then this hourly just absolutely tanked. Levels on hourly time frame, guys. I've got a nice level down here that price is trying to get into. Yeah, we can see we're trying to come into this level down here. So that's, if we can break below that, I can see price coming down into lower levels, right? And then I've got this level on where my take profit is down there. Yeah. So for now, let's just wait for entry to short. I'm not gonna buy, bro. I ain't gonna be buying Nasdaq. Not at all. Not at all. So let's wait for a pullback on a 5 minute and find a short entry. This is what I'm going to wait for. I want to see a short entry, chat. Yeah. I want to see a short entry. But other than that, all right. Which entry looking at? But I'm looking at shorts, bro. Hello, bro. Greetings from Greece. Let's ride some mountains here. Greece, bro. You're the first Greek in the chat, dude. Well, I mean, from what I know, dude, you're definitely the first Greek in the chat, bro. And so, Cam, if I understand you well, we need to go back near EMA to short. Not necessarily. I would like us to go back near EMA, but not necessarily. I mean, obviously, if price goes near that EMA, the entry, the probabilities will be higher to short, obviously, because if we have to short now, right? Like, look how we have an inside bar on the 5 minute currently. So if we short this inside bar break, there's a risk that price can pull back into that EMA and then probably stop us out. So yeah, waiting for price to pull back into that EMA there's a high probability to win that trade. Oh, my dog is crying, bro, outside the door. Bailey, come. What's wrong? Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come say good morning. Come on. Come, my sweet. Come, my sweet. Calm down. Oh my God. Calm down. Calm the hell down, bro. Hey, calm down. Calm down, please. Oh, she's crazy this morning. Stop it. Stop it. Don't you bite. Stop. Stop it. Hit your bed. Hit your bed. Stop. It's fucking crazy, bro. I don't have energy for that, bro. Hey, come here, babe. Come here, babe. Come. Get your bed, please. What happened? What's wrong? Are you scared? What's wrong? Wow. Oh, she's afraid of something. Yeah, you see how it's shorting now, the break of that 5 minute. Did I shower here? Did you shower here? Did I shower? Obviously I shower, bro, every morning. Hey. Are you good? What do you want? Come sleep. Come sleep on my lap. Come. Oh. Come sleep now, please. Sleep. Good girl. Good girl. Calm down. Calm down. She's crazy, you guys. Check this little thing, bro. Well, she's not even so little anymore, but yeah, I shower Bailey. I give Bailey a bath once a week, but not today. But yeah, usually when I give her a bath, she goes crazy. She gets zoomies, bro. Zoomies. Come do. Have a do, please. Sleepy now. Good girl. Yes. All right, guys. Tell me what I've got another song I'm gonna be popping up here. It's not playing. Sammy, yeah, she was smiling the other day, like, because what's happening, bro, like she's teething, right? She's got like new teeth coming out, and like what happens, bro, it's horrible. When dogs' new teeth come out, their mouth starts smelling horrible, dude. And she was smiling on the face, but I didn't realize it's coming from her mouth, bro. So I went to the vet and I got her a toothbrush, bro, and I've been cleaning her teeth every day, dude. Alright, guys, I might enter sooner. I am looking. The sellers are very strong right now. We are at this key level. If we can start getting back below, I might look to take a short. Tempted to take the sell, I won't lie. I'm tempted to short this 5 minutes. If this 5 minute flips red or creates an inside bar, I'm gonna probably take a short. Let's see. Let's just wait. Let's wait. hell is this music? It's actually not, I don't even like that, bro. Horrible! Thought it was good. Blue Mango, happy Tuesday, brother bear. Happy Tuesday. That's a good girl. You sleep now. Finally, she calmed down. Alright. You see, guys, why I waited for that candle flip, because you see now that we're at that key level, right? That's why price is reacting. It'll be nice. It'll really be an A+. If price can get above EMA, yeah? If we can get above that EMA and close back below, wow, I'll drop 3 minis on that, I won't lie. 3 minis. I will be confident for sure. For sure, brother bear. The new hourly. This hourly closure back below was so clean. Like there was one over here to the left. We got above, we closed back below and we sold off. What happened again? We got above, we closed back below and we sold off, man. 2 really nice all setups from that. I'm gonna watch. See, it looks like the buyers are trying to push price. If we can hold 28,900, right, I'm gonna probably then start focusing on the short. But we might have a push up into 28,900, maybe, we see. But we are close. Yeah, we're gonna get a winner. I can feel it. I traded New York session yesterday after stream. Very briefly, I just jumped on for like 20 minutes, caught a very nice scalp on a trade. Yeah, I'm definitely fixing the mistakes I made last week, and I can really see improvement this week just by being a little bit more patient. That little bit extra is really helping a lot more. Guys, for the new viewers, I said in the beginning of the stream, I'm giving away a free entry into my community for one of you beautiful lucky people this stream, right? I'm choosing one of you guys today to join my live community, where next week I'm going to be trading daily in there, right? So I'm going to be giving a free spot to one of you guys, and you're going to get fed with webinars, knowledge, everything. And it's not going to be a duck race, right? I'm doing it. I've noticed a few people that have been with me since day one in this chat. I'll be choosing one of you guys today. I want to make it fair. Hi. Game over. Game over what, bro? Game over what, bro? Sapphire Blood, yeah. Guys, Vista Forex has been on the stream since day one. He's one of them. He's one of the OGs. He is one. Oh, look at my hair, bro. He is one of the OGs. Gonna buy a fresh 50k. Go for it, dude. Go for it, bro. Use my code. Support me. You get a discount. They're gonna push short now that hello, awesome. Hello, brother. Right, we're coming into the 28,900. Okay, let's see. Dan the man, brother! How's it going, my guy? How's it going, my guy? Okay, come on, bro. I want to see a nice red candle from this area. Give us a nice rejection candle, bro. Have the likes been improving, Cam? I don't know. I've stopped paying too much attention to the likes. What are we? Yo, guys, hit that like button right now. What is this nonsense? 24 likes, bro. What is this rubbish? Come on. So many of you be using me for my signals, huh? Let's just be honest. It's okay, it's alright though. Give me some love, bro. Any cheeky wins, guys? We haven't taken a trade yet, bro. Not just yet, bro. Waiting patiently. I want to see a 5-minute close back below EMA. Cam, did you even acknowledge me? How dare you? Don't make me good. I was actually gonna, Cam Bam, I was gonna message you privately, bro. I'm sorry. I was gonna send you a private message, dude. I was just waiting for the right moment. We're going long? No, dude, I'm not. I'm not longing this. I think that this long is temporary. I think this is a temporary pullback. I'm not gonna touch this long. Guys, look how clean this 5-minute short was from up here. Look how clean this was. Look how we pulled back into EMA. Look how clean this 5-minute short was from EMA. We closed below EMA, broke that low, and price zero drawdown. Price just absolutely melted from there. That is a super clean trade, bro. Wow. Yeah, bearish bias for me, bro. Bearish bias for me. Dan, be careful. I'm gonna slide into your DMs next. I'm gonna be sliding into your DMs next, bro. You never know, dude. Yeah. But then if I do that, Cam Bam will get jealous. Yeah, dreams do come true. Guys, who wants to win the giveaway today? Captain Price. Yeah, dude, you have a chance. I've noticed, guys, my whole chat loves free things. You all love a free thing, don't you? All of you. My Discord right now is a little bit quiet for sure, but I did say that next week I'm going to be putting something inside of there and it's going to get very active. So I want to get some of you guys in. So that's why I'm going to be giving away a free entry into my Discord, guys, to one of you guys on the stream. I will be. morning. Hey. Hi. Good morning. Just teach me to fish and I'll be happy. Yeah, dude. I might go fishing later. Vista Forex. That activation fee code that you won, when you check out, where it says promo code or coupon codes on the checkout, put that discount code inside of there. Yeah, it'll automatically be applied to your account, right? It won't show you when you check out, but when you pass the account, it won't ask you for activation fee. It'll automatically give you the contract to sign for the funded. Don't worry, but it works. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Go make $1 million, brother. Guys, I won't lie, talking about South Africa now. I've been in the talks, man. My brother recently bought himself, he's getting it this weekend, a super nice BMW. And it made me look at buying a new car. I am so tempted, I won't even lie. I need advice from the chat. Guys, for all the car geeks on here. There's 2 cars that I'm looking at, but there's one I really, really want. I really want to get myself an Audi R8 V10. Yeah. All black. I'm talking black rims, black everything. Like a black tinted windows. It needs to look like a fucking Batmobile, dude. Right? So I'll show you a picture. If I have one on this phone. Oh, it's not on this phone. But yeah, all blacked out R8 V10. I was looking and I'm tempted. I'm very tempted to start making an offer on one. Or some sort of SUV. But I don't know if I want a supercar. I won't lie. I want a supercar. Yo. Yo, toxic brother. There was an issue with a lot of people DMing Funder Pro saying that they won the giveaway, right? When they didn't. A lot of people trying to scam the giveaway. That's why your thing has been put on hold, I think. So I'm gonna make sure you get yours today. Don't worry. I did look at your email today, right? Because I had to confirm that you did win, right? Okay, you'll get emailed today, bro. They just had to. I got a message this morning. A lot of you guys messaged them saying you guys are waiting for the account when you didn't even win. So it made them question who actually won. So I had to kind of sort that out this morning, yeah? So apologies about that. I've been watching a lot of different trade streams and you are definitely one of the most authentic. I fucking love you, Nick. Honestly, bro, I fucking love you, bro. I always want to be the most authentic. Like, it's just, I don't want to be, I know what you mean by there's a lot of traders that stream and it's cringy, bro. They try too hard, they talk too much. Just trade, keep it simple and be yourself, bro. But yeah, I appreciate you a lot, dude. More to come though, I promise, more to come. Nah, Mercedes, nah, I'm not a fan of Mercedes, I won't lie. Audi RS4, it's a nice car. Can you know BMW means BI means. Bro, this guy Cam Bam. Cam Bam 69. Oh jeez, and this Cam Bam 69. That doesn't surprise me, bro. What's your real name, dude? What about Mercedes? Nah, not a Mercedes. G-Wagon, oof. Okay, a Mercedes G-Wagon. Yeah, that is sexy. And where I live, it does suit the mountains for sure because of the snow. But I want like something that I like, you know. Really. Oh, I'm tempted. I want an R8, bro. Get a Vespa. What is that? You just met Nick and you're telling him you love him. Bro, what a... I can't deal with this guy, honestly. I can't deal with you, bro. Low Vespa or nothing. Most of them don't even trade, they just talk about how good they are at trading and you never see a trade. Yeah, it's facts though, dude. I know so many traders that are wanting to start to stream, bro, and they're not even consistently profitable, bro. Like, that pisses me more off, dude. I know guys that, yeah, there's a lot of traders that they start trading and they all of a sudden want to start streaming and people fall for that shit, bro. There's a lot of it out there, dude. This trading industry is extremely toxic, guys, if you start following the wrong people, man. I can tell you right now, it's so toxic. I know, I've just seen some traders fall off recently, bro, and they hide us and then they make excuses of, oh, bro, I see so much shit, bro. Like, I see so much shit in this trading space. It's very rare, I think, to find real ones out there on the internet. It's very rare, because the majority of them, you guys are probably talking to some fake ones as well. Like, I'm telling you, there's so many of them. Alright, guys, I'm going to enter a short.
Order filled.
Let's see, I'm entering one mini. Yeah, I'm entering one mini short here, guys. One mini short. Let's see what we get here. I told you, I want to see price get back below that EMA. There we go, and we close. New 5-minute candle opened up. So I've taken one mini, guys. One mini short. Take this at your own risk, huh? Take this at your own risk. My bias is bearish. I am strong on the sells. I do want to see price drop a lot lower. So first TP is going to be the 940. What? The first TP is 840, and then if we can break below this level, probably go lower. G-Wagons are trash. Dan, why are they trash, bro? I'm telling you right now, if someone wanted to give you a G-Wagon, there's no ways you would say no to it, bro. Let's just be honest, dude. If I offered you a G-Wagon right now, you will say no. I rate you would take that thing, dude, and you would... Yeah, dude. It's a nice car, dude. It's a nice car. You have to admit, bro. But it's alright. I mean, I think it's definitely an opinion thing, for sure. It is an opinion thing. Scooter. Dan, bro. Honestly, I love scooters, bro. I want to go back to Bali just to drive a scooter, dude. Such a vibe. Scooters are so fun. I feel like you're Mario Karting around Bali on those things. Bike. Yes. Yeah, bike. Mustang, nah. 69 Camaro. That's something that Cambam would love. How to get free funded account? I don't know, bro, how to do it. Engulfing on 15, keeping me out. Alright. Dan, good luck. No, you can't take the money, bro. Yeah. Yeah, BMW i8 is nicer. I like that car as well. Oh, nice. Okay, NQ's giving the push down. NQ is giving the push down. We are having that push down, guys. If we can get to that, if we can get to low of the day, I will go break even for sure. I know a few people with G-Wagon and nothing but problems. What about a black Range Rover Vogue? Don't know. I put my stop, guys, just above the current 15-minute wick high. I don't want to see this flip green. Oof, and we're making an inside bar. Hope the setup's gonna score big. I don't know, let's see. That's my first trade of the session, like, let's see. I mean, I'm only 1 mini, it's okay. I'm risking, like, really good risk management right now. Like, look at my account size compared to how much I'm risking. I'm happy to take one right now, and if price starts dropping, I can add as it goes. But other than that, let's see. I mean, it's still beginning of the session, you know. The 15 can still maybe push a bit higher for sure, but I'm willing to take 1 mini risk right now on my account. Just kind of give you guys some action, you know what I mean? As long as, I mean, the price can stay below this 5-minute EMA, it should theoretically keep going lower. But if it starts closing back above, we could maybe have another push higher for sure. I'm aware of the risk, right? That's why I only go 1 mini. Like you always said, Cam, it's gambling, lol. What's gambling, bro? Trading. Trading is gambling, guys. It is. I don't care what any of you have to say. Trading is gambling, but the difference, right, between trading and going to the casino type of gambling is that trading, you have more of an edge. You have a high chance of winning your trades if you've got a good strategy and good psychology. Your edge will take some of the gamble out of it. But at the end of the day, every trade you take, there's a probability you're going to lose that trade with not knowing. So, yeah. All of us are gamblers. Educated gambling. Oh, my sexy man, Cambam. He knows it, guys. Educated gambling. Exactly. This is high-level gambling. No, I rate, for me, trading is like playing blackjack but counting cards. Like, do you know what I mean? If you know how to count cards at blackjack, you have a high chance of winning almost every round, right? You might lose some rounds in between, but you can you'll win more if you know how to count cards, right? It's like trading. It's like bring a trader in that doesn't have a good strategy, doesn't have a good psychology, and then you bring a trader that does. The trader that does will win, no? My odds will always be in your favor. Hi, have you talked about... No, I haven't yet, bro. I haven't yet, dude. For all the new people that are watching the stream, just I'd like to, if you'd like to know how I trade and why I trade EMA, guys, I've traded almost every strategy in the book. And out of trading everything in the last 8 years, I came back to trading in EMA, right? The reason I trade EMA, it's extremely simple, as a lot of the guys in the chat can probably tell you already, and it's very powerful. How I trade EMA is if I'm looking to short, or if, for example, if Nasdaq is selling off in a downtrend, you only look to sell in EMA, right? So if we're below the EMA, we're selling off, we wait for price to pull back into EMA. The minute we start closing back under it, that's when you start taking your entry short to continue that downtrend lower. Alright? So when we pull back into EMA over here, we got into that EMA, price closed above, and immediately the next 5-minute candle closed back below. My entry would be at the break of that 5-minute candle low. I'll enter when price breaks it. You see this candle here? That candle broke that 5-minute low and price just melted. Look up here. We're trending high, right? We close back below. You could have shorted the break of that candle over there. Same thing. If you're bullish, you close back above. You could have taken that entry over there to long. I'm not going to get into too much detail right now about it, but that's basically it for the new people. Yeah. I'm using EMA 9, brother. It's very, 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 very simple, dude. Very simple, brother. Yo, Cam, dude, I actually love that one, bro. This might be the best thing you've probably ever said out of all your comments, bro, on stream. Yeah? Yeah. CWW. This is the... Bro, that's so clever, dude. I like that. CWW. Cam's wiggly worm, bro, because this pink line that you see, right? It's not a penis. It's a wiggly worm. Yeah? I live in Europe, bro. I live in Europe. I live in France. I live in France, near the border of Switzerland and Italy. Yeah, Dream Bear. It is very, very simple and very clean. Like, the reason I've shorted now was, look how we came back up into EMA. The minute we closed back below, that was my entry. Price can obviously consolidate sometimes, right? It's normal, it's trading. It's not always going to be a super clean entry, right? But as long as you've got your overall intraday bias correct and price is trending nicely, there's a high chance you'll win. Like, because you're not overcomplicating it with ICT, order blocks, trend lines, blah, blah. We're just trading higher highs and higher lows, market structure. Right? And you can lose sometimes as well. You can lose sometimes as well, right? Sometimes they fail, but that's normal, no? That is normal. That's trading, bro. I use the 5-minute time frame for entry. So like you can, the more experience you get, you can start combining them. So for example, if you look at the 15-minute, if you got to like look at the 15-minute close back below that EMA, right? Well guys, excuse the noise, there's someone drilling. Why the fuck are there people drilling under me? Oh, that's loud. Sorry guys about that noise. Alright. So like, for example, look how the 15 closed below EMA on the 15-minute time frame over here. If you know that, you can literally mark that. You can do this. So the 15's closed back below EMA. You could go to the lower time frame and scale in on the 5-minute to get a better entry. Right? Look here. How we closed above EMA on the 15-minute over here, right? To go long. We closed above. Let's just highlight this area, right? Where we closed above, yeah? Let's go on the 5-minute time. Now we can drop to the 5-minute. And you can refine that entry even better. Of the 5. Check. So that entry over there, you take the break of that 5-minute above, like that. And there's a high probability you will win this trade now because the 15 closed above. So if higher time frames start also closing above an EMA or below an EMA, that lower time frame will most likely hold that. Super simple, yeah? The money strat, bro. But they can fail also, don't get me wrong. Like, if you get to, sometimes you can enter too early or, do you know what I mean? And then you can get chopped up a bit. But that's okay, like, as long as you're managing risk. As long as you're managing risk, bro, it's okay. I trade a bit like D-Money. I don't know who D-Money is, bro. I don't know what I've been told. So look here now, right? Look how this 5 minutes closed back above EMA. Price can very well go hit my stop loss right now. And the previous 15-minute candle was an inside bar. It's cool, let's leave it. I'm gonna let this one run. It's alright. I'm not risking a lot. I'm willing to take the risk and hold it. I do want to see short still, and I did enter based off the strategy. I might have entered too early, but if I enter too early, it's cool. I'll wait for another setup. I'll wait for another setup to short. Yeah, toxic, exactly. It's very nice when price is trending. Any strategy is shit in ranges for sure. But yeah, obviously, jeez, that guy's so loud, bro. Guys, excuse me, I'm gonna pause this. Yes, there are. I do have other intraday confluences, bro, that I do have them as well. I use high time frame, key levels. Yo, I'm about to go down and break this person's door under me. What the hell are they doing? Like, I'm trading, bro. I swear they're drilling into the roof under me, bro. My take profit is at the low of the day. You see down here where this level is? That's my take profit. But if we break below that, we're most likely going to go a lot lower. So the 850s is where I'm going to start looking to close my trade. For all the new people, guys, it's an EMA 9. EMA 9, yeah? EMA 9, bro. Guys, I'm just going to go get some water. Just give me a moment. They're coming for you. They heard you want to buy an Audi. Yeah. Come on, Naz, bro. Come on, man. Do your thing for the new people. I use the 9, 13, 20 email guide. I think 9 is more clean. Yeah, bro. And the 9 is the best for intraday for sure. You get more setups on the 9. I don't. If I start putting other EMAs on, I overcomplicate it. For the new people, guys, you'll notice I love keeping my trading super simple. I don't want to have all these different things. And if I have 2 EMAs, I'm overcomplicating it by 1 step. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to be like looking at another EMA as well. Do you know what I mean? So let me just use EMA 9, dude. It's enough. Yo, Nifa is dedicated, man. So cool, man. Nifa's gonna definitely make it. I told him I've never known someone so dedicated. She's been on every single stream for the last 4 weeks. Yeah, black magic, I won't lie, dude. That is a hell of a strategy, brother. Yo. Yeah, NQ might have another push up because, guys, if you look at the let's see. The 15-minute time frame looks like we might want to come into the 15-minute EMA. I might even close earlier. Let's see, because looking, we have a double inside bar. I think we have a 30-minute inside bar. Hold on. Yeah, guys, check this, man. We have a 30-minute inside bar. Okay, yeah. I'm out, guys. I took a stop on that one. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy this, bro. I'm not gonna buy this. It does look tempting to scalp a buy, but I'm not gonna do it. We got a double inside bar, man. We have a double inside bar. Price is breaking the high of that inside bar. I'm not gonna risk it, guys. I'm not gonna FOMO into any trades, man. I won't FOMO into a trade. Why does my chart show stop loss and take profit at the same level? It doesn't, bro. It doesn't, bro. Reshort. Yeah, I'm open, I am open. Like, let me just give it a little bit more patience. We still have how much time together? We have an hour together still. I'm just gonna be more patient, man. Let's just see price react to go short. Yeah, that's if we get it. You know what I mean? I'm not rushing. Yeah, catch up, exactly, dude. If you know, you know, bro. Yeah. People that are buying now, I'm telling you, there's no reason to buy, dude. Like they're either buying the pullback. They're not buying. You need to think long. I think long term when it comes to intraday trading. We need to think what's the day going to do, not what is now going to do. You know, like if the day is going to go bearish, I'm going to look to sell now. Like if we get the entry to short, I'm not going to be buying when the daily's bearish, bro. Like that's the trick. If the daily candle's running bearish, guys, and other confluences are lining up to be bearish, then you just short it, man. Like, why are you going to buy a bearish trend? It's just stupid, man. My accent, bro. Antarctica. Yeah, I'm from Antarctica, bro. Stay hydrated. I'm from South Africa. That's where I'm from. Africa. Du Sud. Okay, that 15. Let's see now. That 15 came up into EMA and it's rejected heavily. Yeah. Let's see where these buyers are at now, bro. Aussie, that's so cool, dude. Maybe we brothers, bro, because there's not many people living there, so we might be coming from the same family. Okay, guys. If price breaks this trend line, we're gonna. Okay, I'm joking. Yeah, I think we're selling too, guys. No rush, bro. No rush. I protect my capital. That's key, isn't it? Tasmania is close to Antarctica. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think London is closer to Antarctica than Tasmania, bro. Oh my god, you piece of shit, bro. Okay, there it taps me out to the T and now it drops. Alright, that's cool, Cam. We're gonna wait. What's the time? 2 minutes and I love trading. Oh my god. See, this is the part about trading that no one talks about, bro. People talk too much about freaking risk management, but nobody talks about when price ticks you out to the T and then absolutely goes and smashes your take profit after. You know what I mean? Like, it's horrible. Okay, 1 minute. Come on. 1 minute, bro. We're gonna close. I'm gonna enter this next candle, guys. I'm gonna enter this next candle. Let's see. I'm gonna go 2 micros on this one. I mean, sorry, two full contracts. Dan, yeah, buddy. Told you, bro. Buying a bearish market is risky, bro, because we might keep having sellers trying to get in. Close, close, close. I'm entering the next 5-minute candle. Okay. Create a top wick now. Alright, come on, come on, come on. I'm focused.
Order fill.
Alright, I'm in. I'm entering now, guys. I'll tell you why. The range is too big, bro, for me to enter down there. My risk to reward will be so shit. Alright, let's see. Second time lucky. Yeah, bearish market, bro. Like, look at the daily candle, dude. Look at yesterday's candle and the day before. Short-term bearish, not long-term. Short-term. There we go for like a 1-to-1. A 1-to-1. From there. Let's see. Higher time frame always first, bro. You guys can't trade lower time frame if you don't know what's happening on the higher time frame. Higher time frame pushes the lower time frame's direction, right? It's very simple. Higher time frame pushes lower time frame's direction. If the daily candle is bearish, there's a high chance the 15-minute and the 1 hourly are creating are creating a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, right? If the daily time frame is bullish, there's a higher chance that we got higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames. That is the secret to daily analysis, bro. Yeah, Trump, send us down, bro. Just like you got down and dirty in Jeffrey Epstein's house, bro. Joking, I'm joking. Yeah, pullback is due, but I think the party might not be over yet. Yeah, who knows, bro? Listen, it's our first time in 4 weeks or 3 weeks, yeah, that we're trading below EMA on the day. This is daily time frame, chat. It's our first time in 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we're trading below the EMA on the daily. I didn't wait for the 9 EMA tap before I entered. Yes I did, bro. Look. Let me show you I did. Don't come here and accuse Cameron the Great. Look. 15-minute tapped EMA. Look. 15-minute. Came up, tapped EMA, it flipped bearish. The 5-minute. We were above EMA and then we closed back below right now on that 5-minute. So yes, it did actually tap the EMA, dude. Here we go, sell-off coming in. I'm going break even, guys. I'm break even. Break even. Alright, guys. Ooh, here we go, my guy.
Order fill.
I've closed one mini. I've closed one contract. I'm going to let one run. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. Understand daily buys and use EMA to enter. End of story. Simple, bro. End of story. End of story, bro. Yeah, I'm going to... I closed off half, though. Nice trade, baby boy. Yeah, it was a nice trade. I'm happy with this one. I'm happy with this one, chat. Let's just let her run. This is something I don't like too much about minis because I can't close off half a mini now. Like, I must just let this one run. But it's cool. Let's let it run. Alright. Let's see if we can come, guys, all the way down for the weekly low. 750, which was my first target. It is quite far away, but let's see. For all my gym rats on the chat, if you take creatine, you need to drink aqua. You need to be drinking H2O, okay? Come on, NQ. Flip. Go, 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 go. Break that low. I needed to break this low right now and hold below. We need to get below the 850s, guys. I mean the 840s. Very important. Very, very important. I get a bloated face from creatine, dude. I get a bloated face from steroids, bro. I'm joking. I don't take that stuff, and I really don't. But I won't lie. I want to maybe consider, not now, and definitely in the next like 4 or 5 months. I want to start taking peptides for sure. Apparently they're not bad. I mean, I don't know. I haven't done my full research on them though. But apparently, like a lot of people do them nowadays. And peptide is in a lot of products you guys don't even know. Like, it's not even... It's legal, I think. Maybe correct me if I'm wrong, but I think peptides might be legal. It's not illegal because there's a lot of products, guys, like that you put on like cream. There's peptides in a lot of cream and everything. Like, so yeah, I'm going to take peptides for my trading. It'll help me win more. It's called trading peptide. Have you heard of them? You probably haven't because I'm busy creating them in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm creating a... Ooh, guys, I might take a BE on this.
Order filled.
Okay, cool. I'm out, guys. At least I closed half position. I made back my last plus more. So I'm up $400. It's okay. It's cool. That is a win, though. That was a nice little scalp in and out. Nothing crazy, but yeah. The shorts aren't over yet, though. I don't think the shorts are over. Let's just wait. Price is trying. I think Price is trying to trap buyers right now. Look how like people are probably buying from this area the whole time. I'm telling you. Price is going to take them out soon. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm not a gym rat. Like I'm quite lean. I want to put on 10 kilograms in the next like 7 months. 6 months, 7 months. I currently weigh 65. I weigh 65 kgs. My goal is to get to 75, 76, 77 around there. Just above 75 is my goal. And I want to be like 75. Just lean muscle, you know. It's the goal. It's not easy trying to put on weight. It's hard, bro. Having to force feed yourself, like, it's horrible, dude. What's the time? No, guys, shorts on over, man. Maybe we can enter another one. Maybe we can enter another one. Let's see. 5 minute came into EMA as well. I'm going to do something I haven't done on the stream, but I do it sometimes in the New York session. I'll enter on a 2 minute. I might, let's see, I might, ooh. Shorts aren't done though. I'm going to take a short on a 2 minute. I don't ever do this on stream, but I do it in the New York session a lot when price is moving so fast. Nah, no entry. Okay. ZAR trader, keep shorting my buys. It's helping my longs, bro. It doesn't help your longs, dude. No one on this stream is trading real huge sums of live money into the market that will be affecting this. Remember, most of us are on props, right? These prop firm accounts we're trading are all demo. It's not real money being put into the market, so it definitely does not affect us, I'm telling you right now. We're trading other people's money that's affecting the market, dude. This is not us, bro. We're all trading paper, majority, unless someone trading personal capital on a real brokerage, but I don't think. No, dude, it'll never affect it, bro. It'll never affect us. I just used the standard EMA 9, bro, nothing else. Nothing else. We like mosquito larva, yeah, dude. Close back below that EMA. Come on. Come on. Let's see if we can get a 5 minute to close below. Sam, I appreciate you, dude. I appreciate you, bro. But watch me make $1 billion now. I'm about to make $1 billion right now, guys, on a short. I'm gonna enter another 2 if I get a setup, guys. I'm feeling strong about these shorts, and price is not ranging. We're not in a range yet, so if we can break these lows, ooh, I'm tempted, huh? Let me just make $1 billion quick. 2 minis. Get back below. Yeah, this 5 minutes gonna close below EMA. I am on the 2 minute. No, you see, we need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. Yo, guys, my patience is paying. I won't even lie. It's saving me every time. Yeah, no entry yet to short. Guys, so we have a guy called Zar Trader. I'm assuming he's from South Africa, bro. Because he trades South African rands, I think. Zar Trader. I'm assuming you're South African, bro, no? There will be no short. Bro, honestly, I wish I was as confident as you were. Because if I was as confident as you were, oh my god, I'd be a billionaire. If you know that there will be no short, if you're so sure of it, put all your life savings on this long then, dude. Because you will make millions, bro. Russia. I call cap, dude. I bet you from South Africa. Stop trying to hide, bro. Guys, Zar Traders from South Africa, dude. Yeah. If you guys are long, that's cool, man. That's cool. Honestly, just because I want shorts does not mean that that price is not gonna probably buy. Like, it can very well buy, bro. It's trading, man. It can do anything at once. Bro, why happy dad? Because I am a happy dad, bro. I've got a daughter. You guys have seen her. She's black. She's very hairy. She's small. Her name's Bailey. Honestly, why happy dad? Bro, I got given this by my brother, dude. That's why. And honestly, I love the full send. I don't know if any of you guys watch the Nulk Boys, but dude, I won't lie, I love those guys. They are the funniest flipping YouTubers, bro. I used to watch them a lot when I was younger, dude. Oh my god, I was a big fan of them. It's my first time here. It's interesting, bro. Welcome. You should subscribe and like the stream as well since you're new here, dude. It's a ritual. And if you guys like this stream and you subscribe, you'll have good luck for the next 10 years. Yeah? Promise. I promise. I'm not even lying. Okay, I'm tired of this music, guys. Let's put something. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. Sorry guys, wrong song. It was this one. Yo, I wish I could play my own music on Apple Music, but I can't because of copyright, guys. I don't trade on the 1 minute. Never. The 1 minute, bro, is too trading is already a gamble. Going on the 1 minute is gonna be bro. I would rather go play slot machines at the casino, dude. I'll have more fun. I'll have more time on a casino slot machine than I would be trading a 1 minute time frame. I'm telling you, dude. Bro, Nulk's around still, bro. They still make videos. I still watch the YouTube videos. Nulk did something called Nulk Island, like Love Island recently. It's so funny, bro. You should watch it. Looking bullish now. Short term bullish, bro. It's short term, my guy. This ain't long term, dude. It's a pullback, bro. Like, look at. Let me show you something right now. Look at this hourly time frame, yeah? Look at the hourly. I'm just gonna hit you up with some facts right now, okay? Listen carefully. I'm gonna hit you up with some facts right now. Look at this hourly time frame. How many hours has this been selling off, bro? You see that? Now, look where price is currently. Let's zoom up. We have to zoom all the way up. To see it, because it's so small. Just because of the previous candle, all of a sudden price is bullish. Nah, dude. Nah, dude. It's just, this is just a reaction of this key level. Price will come down to this level again, I'm telling you. Yeah. And until we are bullish, I'm only gonna consider us bullish until we have an hourly candle engulf this high to the left. Then we're bullish, bro. Until then, any long you take is just a scalp because price is reacting to a level. It's just a pullback scalp. But to be overall bullish, bro, you need to see something break these highs to the left, my guy. I'm sorry, I'm hitting all these bullish guys with facts right now. Okay? I love you all. Like, really, I do. But like, I'm just saying, you need to look at the bigger picture, not look at what's happening on the 5-minute time frame. Because if I go down to the 1-minute time frame, let's go to the 1 minute now. Of course we look bullish. Look at that. But now let's go back to the 1 hour. Yeah. Tells the story, huh? Just always look at the bigger picture, bro. Stop looking at the 1 minute time frame and the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Those are just entries into the bigger picture, yeah. So yeah. Anyways, getting back at it. It's like me jumping to a 10-second chart, bro. Look at the 10-second chart. Now I can say we're bearish. Do you know what I mean? Because look. One hour looks choppy. Yeah, it's a bit choppy, Nifa, for sure, but it is trending. It is making lower lows. It is making lower lows. I do think we're trying to get on into the weekly low. Previous week's low. I might be trading oil today. Nice. I don't trade oil. Let me actually look at oil. I don't know if Thunder Pro, they should have. Oh, they do. CL. Yo, oil. Holy smokes. That's oil. What's oil doing? Ooh, oil can be bullish, huh? Oil can maybe be bullish. For sure. What about gold, guys? Let's see gold. What's Goldie Gold doing? Yo, Adam lol, dude. Obviously, bro, if we go to the weekly time frame, we are bullish, bro. Obviously, but let's just look at intraday. We're not swing traders, bro. Well, I'm not a swing trader. I'm an intraday. I'm trading futures. I can't even swing a trade. So yeah, I am an intraday. So I'm looking at what current day is doing. I'm not looking at what the previous weeks have been doing. If the current day is having a pullback, I'm going to look to intraday scalp that pullback. But obviously, you are right though. You are right. On the higher time frame, if you go to the weekly and the daily, we are overall very bullish, 100%. I'm not going to argue that. That is true. But on you can't compare a 5-minute time frame to a weekly time frame. It's completely different, bro. If the weekly time frame is having a pullback, that 5-minute will be bearish. You know, gold might have a drop off as well, huh? Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade gold. I'm getting off that. NQ. But yeah. Took a nice long on silver. Nice, Dan. I think, guys, I'm gonna probably trade New York session. Like, I'm gonna come back. I don't think I'll get anything right now. I mean, looking at the 15, if we can get a 15-minute closing back below that EMA, we might just maybe have a short again. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a 15 close back below that EMA. But once again, look at this. We are kind of in a bit of a range right now. So maybe you can trade that range, I don't know. Unless we start breaking higher, price might want to go a bit higher. But yeah, the shorts are calling my name more than the longs, I don't lie, I won't lie. Also, something else that's telling me short is the 4 hourly. We really are freaking respecting this EMA on another level. Like we keep coming into it selling, coming into it selling. It would not surprise me if we sell off, take out last week's low, and then we reverse. Do you know what I mean? Last week's low is sitting down here. We could very well sell off into last week's low. And then we can reverse, guys. Do you see what I'm saying? You feel me, guys? You feel me, bro? No rush. New York session might be the safer bet. One of my flaws in trading, I've always been, I'm going to tell you guys because I like when I think of these things, I want to share them with you. One of my flaws in trading is, and to this day still, but it's pretty normal, I think, when I have a very strong bias of where price is probably going to be going to, right? I get very, how do I say it? I feel like, for example, I'm so set in stone on the shorts for today. I'm feeling strong about the shorts into last week's low. Like I get very attached to the 15 minute and the 5 minute, looking for an entry. Because now I'm excited about the move that I'm feeling strong about. So now I start, I wouldn't say I put pressure to take an entry, but I'm like, I'm looking at every single thing that's happening, and that's not good, because if you start looking at every single thing that's happening on the lower time frames, you're going to get analysis paralysis. That's one of my flaws, is when I have a strong overall daily bias of where price is most likely going to go, I get overconfident on the lower time frame, and that can end up bad sometimes. That's why I've been sitting on my hands all session. Yes, this session I took a little tiny little position in the beginning, just feeling the waters. Got stopped out, but that was cool, right? I was minus 200. We then took the short. I made back triple the amount I lost, which was nice. So I put my count back up at 400 for the day. In order for me to take another short, I'm going to need to really wait for another good setup, because looking how we're getting back below this EMA now, I'm like, I want to short this because I do want to see price go lower. Like I'm feeling strong about it. But I don't want to enter too early, and price wants to maybe go back higher and then it sells off at New York session. But yeah, when a plan comes together, Hydron, bro, it's so nice when your plan comes together, dude. It's the most satisfying feeling, bro. Yes, the ZAR trader is one of the cockiest people I've seen in the chat. This is mental, bro. Yeah. These South African traders, guys, are like so arrogant. I'm from South Africa, bro. These African traders are so arrogant, dude. They are some of the most arrogant traders out there, bro. Trust me. A lot of these South Africans, so, yeah, dude. That's crazy, bro. I'm giving you so much love, bro, and you come attacking me. What did I do for you to attack me, bro? Be nice, dude. I'm so nice to you, bro. Come on, you're breaking my big heart, bro. No, I'm not doing a duck race. Trading with voodoo spells, dude. Literally, bro. Literally, dude. I wish people can just leave me to do what I want to do when I trade. Do you know what I mean? Like, just let me do my thing. At the end of the day, I'm profitable. I make good money trading. Why does it matter if I'm trying to short the market, if you're trying to long? No one cares, bro. I don't care, dude. I don't care. But, yeah. Guys, I love you all so much. Peace and love. I'm going to be messaging one of the people in the chat today. I've been reading the messages. I'm going to be giving someone a free entry into my community, guys. So that person will receive a message from me. Yeah. And the reason I'm messaging this person is because they have been active in my chat every single day. They've been with me right from the beginning. And I'm becoming very aware of who these people are. So to that person, you'll receive a message from me today. I love you all so much. Have a great day. Trade safe. I'm still bearish on NQ, guys. I won't be longing NQ today at all. So I'll come back New York session, see if there's a better entry into the short, right? If not, it's cool. Come back tomorrow, right? Not end of the world if I get the bias wrong. Yeah. But yeah. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace and love, beautiful people.